We're about to get working on some. Oh my gosh. Never again, yo. Never again. I don't even want to talk about it. This is the after. No, it don't look much different. Either, but this is it. Yo, I'd never ever want to do a steering wheel job again. Honestly, it wasn't that bad once like I transferred everything over to the new steering wheel. It was just like overwhelming when you start seeing this screw, this wire, that wire. All in all, it was fairly simple. Actually, yeah, it was really simple. New paddles. Oh, I gotta move these. These are old screws. New paddles. It's like aluminum anodized. I don't know what it was. I don't remember when I bought it, but yeah. So got the Alcantara, the white stripe up there. I don't remember what this leather's called, but it's the same here and here. Alcantara on the bottom with the M stitching all throughout here. Everything works. Buttons. Yeah, so like I said, pretty simple job. I'm gonna get this damn radio next. I need this thing. Yeah, a few more things coming. I had the steering wheel for a while too. I had this. Yeah, it was in the last video, probably like 2 months ago. I showed it in the video, and I was in the house bored, so I said, let me just install it now. So, yeah, that's it. Here it is again, with no front lip. I'm getting a new front lip, carbon fiber, soon. Just washed it. Oh boy, I ain't even mean to get the sunset in there, but there we go. Yeah, not much different. Honestly, the only difference is this right here. New steering wheel. I mean, I got the installation video attached to it. I'm just doing an extra video. Yeah. I'm about to take some photos and everything with it right now. Tag the company that made it. Azaauto or something like that. Damn, Azaa. I'll link it down below and I'll put it up on the screen. And then got the Mashimuro carbon fiber e-brake handle. I don't know, I'm gonna just start tagging everybody like I always do. But got some more stuff coming. Just a little quick video update on what's going on with the car and everything. Look at this. It's pretty cool. This Diego's car, obviously. Mine. And this is Diego's other car. This is the reason why he got the M3. It got crashed a few months back. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Look how close this is. Oh, we're doing a little surprise party for his brother Larry. Graduated high school. So congratulations, Larry. You made it.